Learn how to make these light, moist, and delicious mini keto cakes that are low in carbs but full of flavor. Perfect for guilt-free snacking or impressing your guests. I'm Kat, owner of Charmin Chic Baking, and welcome to my channel. I'm using almond flour to replace the all-purpose flour, and to keep the sugar low, I'm using erythritol, but you can use any sweetener. The protein comes from the whey powder, egg whites, and Greek yogurt, and I'm using MCT oil as the fat of choice, which is fractionated coconut oil and the healthiest type of oil. Seed oils have a bad rap for digestion issues in some people, and that's why I'm using MCT. These are really easy to make and come together in only 10 minutes. I'm making mini cakes that I can then freeze and pop in the microwave for when I have a sweet craving. Start by combining all the dry ingredients in a bowl and give it a good whisk to break down the lumps. In another bowl, beat the egg whites to stiff peaks to keep the cakes fluffy and not too dense. I love watching egg whites go through this transition. For an egg-free version, you can use equal amount of aquafaba, which is the liquid from a can of chickpeas, as it also contains protein and will beat the same way as the egg whites. Next, combine the dry ingredients with the yogurt using a spatula, and then add the vanilla and MCT oil to form a paste. Don't worry, you can't overbeat this step as there's no gluten, so the cakes won't turn out tough. Usually when I make gluten-free cakes, I use a little xanthan gum, but I find that I don't need to with this recipe. Next, fold in the egg whites using a spatula, a little bit at a time. This is going to resemble making macarons for who's ever made them. If you're interested in a tutorial in making the perfect macarons, let me know in the comments below and I will upload one shortly. After all the egg whites are incorporated, the batter should be thick but fluffy like this. I'm using an ice cream scoop to make these cute heart-shaped cakes in a silicone mold, which I'll post the link in the description below. But you can also bake this in a 6 or 8-inch pan if you're making it out as a birthday cake. Bake the cakes at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your mold or pan. They'll look a little crinkly on the top, but that's okay, because this will be the bottom of the cake. But I actually think this gives them some character. I'm breaking into this while still warm, but look at that texture. Light and fluffy like a standard vanilla cake. And the taste test? Well, you can't tell these are high protein or gluten-free because they're absolutely delicious. I love these cakes the way they are, but you can also cover them in a low sugar frosting or even dip in dark chocolate for some extra flavor. These mini vanilla protein cakes are perfect as a quick snack or even a breakfast treat. Try dipping them in your coffee for a soft, coffee-flavored bite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you are celebrating Canada Day, I wish you a great long weekend. And for those in the US, happy Independence Day. Happy baking!